welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's Natea, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today, as you guys can see, I'm all glammed up and looking cute. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this hair bob wig from Samsbeauty. This was sent to me by Samsbeauty and I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I have to say thank you Samsbeauty for sending me this wig for me to do this review. Okay, all right, so guys, without further ado, I know you guys want to see her. Like, isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? All right guys, so let's get into the video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natea. If you're new, thank you for coming, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig. It was sent to me by Samsbeauty and it's a Stylist Invisible Lace HD 13 by 16 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blend, and I have it in the style Sheree and the color number 2, and I have the brown HD lace. So this wig is a bob and she comes pre-plucked. As you can see, the hairline is pre-plucked and it is looking gorgeous. Okay, so guys, with this hair I'm just gonna be putting her on just to see what she looks like, because I'm gonna be installing her and I'm super excited to wear this wig. Honestly, I like the layers in her. I like the parting. I like that she's pre-plucked. I like the color of the lace. And yeah, right here I cut the lace off, and when you're cutting your lace you just want to cut as close as possible to the hairline. And there's an issue that I have with my wigs, is that my hairline comes all the way out, so most wigs don't ever cover that little peekaboo hair area right there, but I tend not to worry about it. See, that's what I'm talking, it never covers it. If I pull it out anymore, then it's gonna take away from my forehead. Okay, so I'm using got to be glued free spray just to bond this wig down. I won't be going crazy or anything. I'm using around 3 layers, and then I'm gonna be using my blow dryer just to set it and to make sure it sticks. So that is just what I'm doing. It was pretty easy to install this wig using my blow dryer on the cool setting, to be honest. And if you guys are new over here, as I said before, I'm allergic to the regular lace glues. I cannot do them. They itch and I have a discoloration on my forehead whenever I do that. So yeah, I don't generally do that a lot. Okay, so that's just what I'm doing. This wig was easy to install, as I said before. And guys, if you want a wig, a nice wig, a easy wig, a simple wig, a everyday wig, this is it. It is of a kinky kind of texture. It's not silky, not too silky, not too kinky. It's the perfect blend, and it's 100% human hair master blend. So what that means, it has high quality synthetic hair with a little, it's mixed with human hair, and that is awesome. I really enjoyed it. This wig, while installing and even cutting off the lace, I didn't really get any shedding, just, you know, a few strands because I cut the lace off. While installing my wig, I generally tend to put the hair tabs down last because they can lift up so easily. So I'm just using some got to be glue free spray on the tail of my comb, and I'm just trying to melt those parts that, you know, got missed. And you don't want to miss, you know, not missed. Okay, so I'm just using my blow dryer on cool again just to make sure that it is melted. And I'm going to be using this headband and I'm going to be tying it down, and then I'm going to go bed, and then I will see you guys in the morning. I love to install my wig overnight, so when I wake up in the morning they are bomb. Okay guys, so I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, so I'm back and this is the finished look of this wig. Okay, tell me this isn't cute, tell me this isn't gorgeous. Go ahead. Tell me. Oh, I thought you said something. I thought you said something. Did you like say something? Okay, no. Alright guys, so let me give you guys the specs on this hair baby. Okay, so I got her in the HD brown lace. So you can get two. You can get the I think it's transparent lace. Let me check. Alright, so you can get the neutral HD lace or the brown HD lace. So I was sent this wig in the brown HD lace, and she is a 13 by 6 lace frontal. The parting space is 6 inches deep. She did come with baby hair. I didn't use much, just right here and here. And as I said, the lace is HD, guys. It is thin, it is easy to be blended. Look at her. And all I did was use my Got to Be Glued Free spray, as y'all saw in the put down. Okay. Okay guys, and she comes pre-plucked. Like, I didn't pluck any baby hairs. I didn't do anything to her, and look at how gorgeous she is. Look how gorgeous she is. Okay, so what else, guys? I had no issue with this wig at all. Like, when I said I had no issues, I mean I had no issues. She was easy to install. She didn't shed. She's bouncy. I mean, like, stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. And let's get into the layers. Okay, listen, this is my favorite hairstyle ever. Okay, if I don't know what to do with my hair and I have to go get my hair done, I'm getting a bob. I'm getting a bob, and this is my perfect bob. I don't have to go get no bob no more. Look at this. Look at sisters, you need her. Okay, you need her. I think she's only $39 on the site, but guess what, I'm gonna leave the link down below to her, and y'all can go ahead and purchase her because you won't regret it. Okay, you will not regret it. She is gorgeous, 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 and she's easy to put on. Listen, my aunt. Y'all see how hot I am? I mean, if it wasn't for this wig, I don't know, man, but you throw her on and you good to go. I did nothing. I used no heat. I used nothing on her. All I did was throw her on my head, and the layers just popped. They were just there. They were just like, hey sister, here we are. Here we are. Guys, the wig is awesome. Okay, that's all I have to say, and I'm just gonna wrap this up right now because I know y'all are gonna get tired of me talking. Don't listen, I tend to do voiceovers in my videos since of late, but when it comes to this one, I couldn't do that. I had to come to y'all live and in direct. Live and direct. Guys, isn't she cute? She's so cute. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I mean, thumbs up and a like is the same thing, but you know I said it twice, so you don't forget. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to be the most authentic you.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually